Hello everyone. Uh, Welcome to my very first YouTube channel, EDC Gears PH. So, my name is Jeff, and I am some kind of a EDC enthusiast. I've become, I learned this hobby recently, but I think I've been doing this for quite some time. I just don't have the, the idea na may term pala na EDC, which is the short term for the everyday carry. So, while back, uh, ano ba yung kwento? Ayun, I've recently I've been searching for for a multi-tool replacement for my Leatherman, and then I searched to YouTube. It's a time that I learned the term EDC or everyday carry. So ayan, pumasok ako sa rabbit hole na parang everyday nanonood ako ng mga EDC videos, something like best multi-tool, best EDC knife, best EDC bag, things like that. Pero I'm trying to control myself not to buy things that I'm not sure na I will use. So ayun lang, I'm trying I want to do this in a smart way. Pero ayun, I created this video to share my EDC things to fellow enthusiasts, or to someone will come up to my video and decide to watch my video. So yeah, and also to share some my opinions, my ideas, and to review na lang din siguro ng mga EDC things na meron ako. So I'm saying EDC things because there's a lot of areas or categories that is included in EDC, like EDC tools, EDC bags, EDC techs, like gadgets, technology. So ayun, ngayon I want to tackle first my EDC tools. This one is from Wenger. This is a Swiss Army knife from Wenger. So this is probably a classic one or a vintage one, because what I found was that Wenger and Victorinox are the two companies that supplies Swiss Army knife to the Swiss militaries or things like that, but I'm not quite sure. And then in 2005, Victorinox acquired or bought the Wenger, so it's really hard to find a brand new one to find Wenger Swiss Army knife. So this one, I'm not sure the model, but I've searched to it. Someone called this hiker because there's a logo here that represents a person in hiking gear. So I think it's almost the same like Victorinox, the format, the quality, but yeah, it's still different. But when I look around on the Victorinox website, they still sell, but they only sell one Swiss Army knife with Wenger name on it. So really without further ado, ito. Ang history nito, I got this from my father. But when I was in high school, I sneaked na parang nakita ko to sa briefcase ng father ko. So, kinuha ko siya patago. Di ako nakakala. So, I've used this one in my entire high school days. But, somehow, in my mind, I thought this thing was lost because, yun nga, wala siya sa akin. Hindi ko siya makita. Hanap ko ng hanap. So, parang, naalala ko na natakot ako kasi baka pagalit ako ng airport. But I found this one on the toolbox of my father. So I think nakita niya na sa akin to, kinuha niya, tinago niya sa akin. But then after several years, when I graduated and started working, I mentioned this to him and I asked him if I can have this Swiss Army knife. And then, binigay niya sa akin. Then, ginamit ko siya several years until I decided na I want to retire this because parang medyo vintage and classic na siya. So, ayoko siya paabutin na sirang-siraan na hindi na siya pwede magamit. I'm not planning to resell this. I'm just putting on my display. So that because may sentimental values na rin ito para sa akin. So, ang tools niya are ito. Yung main knife. Medyo mapuro na. Hindi ko nakakasa. Pero I'm planning to buy sharpening tool like from Lansky or Sharpal. And then yung mini knife niya. And then meron itong bottle opener. Pwede mo rin gamitin yung tip ng bottle opener as a screwdriver. And in sa other side is ayan. Can opener siya. Medyo sharp pa to and pointy to. So can opener, and I think you can use this as a box opener. And then this one, ito fork, and then meron din siyang owl. I'm not sure kung yung tamang tawag, pero ayun, medyo higpit, matigas siya buksan. So wine opener, then yung owl, yung pang I think ito yung ginagamit pang sa mga leather para mabutasan, and then pasok ng sinulid, something like that. So, ayun, itong wine opener hindi ko siya nagagamit. Ito nagamit ko na siya nung pinatasan ko yung leather belt ko. Then ayun, nagamit ko rin ito pang pumampas ng lahat may sulat. Parang outing hatak yun. Kasi ito, medyo I think medyo na-abuse ko itong Swiss Army knife na ito. Pero all in all, yung quality niya solid. Wala akong masabi. May bruin mo itong guys, just tumakay ito. Until now, buhay pa rin ito. For more than hindi natin 2007, almost 20 years. Mas matanda pa maata sa akin ito. Pero yun, meron din pala itong tweezers. I'm working pa. Pero yung isang dito is yung niya, toothpick niya is medyo sira na. At putol ko doon yung duwi. I'm still trying to figure out how can I fix this one. Siguro kaya ko na hindi bumili sa Victorinox kung replace. Yun lang. Yun ang share ko in my first video. Thank you and hope to see you in my next video.